Hello everyone. Thank you for joining us on our YouTube channel. In this video, we shall cover adding the products. In our previous video, we did cover how to create a Shopify store and add theme. If you haven't watched the video yet, make sure to give it a view if you are new to Shopify and wondering how to create a Shopify store. Link is added to the description. Please go ahead and watch it. Alright, let's go to products. Add your products. As you can see here, you may add whatever products you are planning to sell. We are going to add some sweatshirt. Let's add women's sweatshirt for now. If you want to add some description of your product, feel free to add it. Let's add the images. Pricing, yes, I'll just put 500 for now. Let's not opt any charge or track quantity. Weight, okay, let's put 250 gram for now. And variants. Okay, there is an option to add different sizes or color. It depends on what kind of products you are adding. Say you are adding any utilities like car accessories that might not have different sizes or colors, right? Thus you can skip it. However, as we are adding sweatshirt which will definitely have multiple sizes and colors, we shall add it. S, M, L and XL. Okay, let's add double XL as well. And done. Next, I'll add color. Black, yes. Then white. I saw in our image we have lavender and green, so let's add green and lavender as well. Perfect. Now this is our inventory. Let's put 10 for now. Let's save this. Perfect. This has been saved. Similarly, you can add as many products you want on your Shopify store, and I'll also go ahead and add a few more products so we can use on our next video where we'll see how to add pages and collections. Thank you very much and stay tuned for the next part on collections and pages. Thank you.